How to restore deleted contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Contacts app. After click on Contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on second last option, Trash. And for example, if you want to restore deleted contact, click on this three dot icon and click on Trash. You will see trash contact is here. Click on Select and just click on Select, and you will see Restore All and Delete All. If you want to restore, click on Restore. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore deleted contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.